Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Happy holidays everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day with family and that it's a beautiful day wherever you are. I made a nice big Christmas book and I'm just so excited to get into it with you using simple stories, simple vintage, 'tis the season. So we've got cut aparts, 3x4, 4x4, 4x6 and a nice cardstock sticker sheet. And I also have some lovely little bits and pieces here. And I love the vintage twist on this. It almost kind of has a 90s type of feel to it as well. So I decided to put the cardinal right there on the front with a couple other little picture spots. And of course I left this open for the recipient to kind of slide that in there. It's a little picture. And then I chose this nice collage paper for the back. This is just some simple Dollar Tree ribbon right here. This thing is so big. And I'll leave the entire tutorial link down in the description if you were interested in taking the class. So right here I have a nice pocket. I did do some fussy cutting to kind of leave some of that paper in there, which I just thought was really pretty. And then right here we have a picture mat. And you could stick a picture in there on top or even on the back, journal about it. The paper was so busy I decided to leave some spaces empty. So right here we have a cute little sticker, nice magnetic closure booklet right here. So it flaps up and to the side. I thought that was cool to kind of fussy cut around that again and just really let the paper speak. It's just so fun to snap these things closed. And I just kind of went around with some dimensional foam tape and popped certain little sentiments up. And right here it's an actual flap. Got some 2x2 spots right there and then some 2x2 little pieces from the paper collection. So it's awesome. Some of these tags I topped, some of them I didn't. There's one of those cute little goodies. 'Tis the season right here. Nice 4x6 photo spots, 4x4s, and we can just stick them right on. And I love this little skinny flap. I don't know, it just kind of adds something different. And you can always assemble these however you want for your presentation, so it's so much fun. Jingle bells right there, nice little tiny photo spot. Extra space for journaling. And I have like this cool little tag that comes out from this popped up photo mat right here. And I decided to kind of go for, I don't know, what would you call that? Like a scrapbook layout type of thing. And then I top this with a little bit of twine too, holly jolly. And it slips right back here. December 25th was another sticker and I just kind of pieced some papers together. On this side, I have like a nice photo mat right here. Again, you could stick the picture inside there. A little magnetic closure, and I added some ribbon right here. I thought that would be cute. There's a cardinal again. Places for pictures all inside here. And again, this little guy's open right here. This is a cool little, gosh, this was so much fun. Just assembling that on there, and I actually used a heart stamp from Hobby Lobby. It's just a little wooden stamp, and I got a little bit of this chalk marker type of ink. And then right on the back of that is just another little 4x4 space. And then I assembled these little popped up picture mats on there. All is bright. We do have a nice big on-page pocket right here. Beautiful uncropped places for pictures, 5x7 and 4x6. And I did use the Stampin' Up! Retired tab punch for those. But you can also use a circle punch, which I show in a lot of my tutorials as well. I just love the way this is just graduating this way. I pay attention to how the pages overlap so that we have nice contrast between each flip. So then this page, it was actually Shane's idea. He was saying, would you want to do something different to this pocket? And I thought maybe a Christmas tree. And not only that, Samson said, maybe you should put brads like ornaments. So that's what I did. So really it would have been this regular, and I'll leave another walkthrough of this particular book for you to see using my paper. Here's a little cute 2x2 spot. And then this was out of one of the giant 12x12 pages. I just thought that would be cute to kind of journal on there or even put some pictures. And then another 5x7 little photo spot here with a tab. And then one of the 4x6 cutouts. So here you go. I have like a cute little envelope pouch right here. And I stuck one of the stickers on. Put a couple tags and picture mats in here as well. Photo mats. Here they are. And it's got a cute little acetate little feature there, if you could see that. So super fun. Nice magnetic closure. That flips over, and on the back again, you do have little spaces for journaling. You could have made this a picture spot and swap anything out that you want. That's so fun because you can customize. I left this one open. Did like a little scrapbook layout here. I wanted the paper to really speak. Even if it's upside down, that's fine. Nobody notices. Oh my goodness. A nice little pocket here with a bunch of fun stuff. There was a shape in one of those goodie pages that I thought would be a perfect tag, so I just did that. Another 5x7. So this album is specified on 5x7s and 4x6s, and then 4x4s. So other little sizes as well. Cute little spot for journaling. Love that little vintage twist. And then this is a little assortment of overlapping little flaps, and one is magnetized right here. Cute little birdie. And then this all folds back up again. And an on-page pocket repeat right here. And you can really stick way more than I have in these pockets. And right back here we have a nice big flap. I just stuck that sticker there and then one of them there. Pop that one up with dimensional tape. And this flaps up right here. And then we've got a cute little sticker and a little pocket on here. And then right here we have another one of those cute little skinny flaps and some more little tidbits in here. 4x6 space, 3x4 wallet size pictures can fit in some of these. And oh my gosh, tags, you name it. It's all here. And look at this. I love this one. And I just kind of wrote around with my little journaling pen. And then a little picture can go on the back of there. And right here is the back and side cover. Again, I did a nice little fussy cutting little scenario there. 5x7, 4x6 pictures, you name it. This one can probably hold over 60 pictures easily. And if you wanted to see how I decorated the original, it'll be playing next. And again, the tutorial is down below and you can use any paper it is that you want. The tutorial actually uses my original YBM Today paper pack. But again, this is totally customizable and you can use any paper it is that you want. Thank you everyone so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas. Bye.